Today, that is what is happening. So many people are coming with the technologies, with the resources, and also best practices that is going to happen. Even I am appealing everybody. Yesterday, PM has appealed. PM has given a call in the recent times, Digital India. We will be number one in that. And also Make in India. I am appealing, Make in India will give a slogan. At the same time, Made in Andhra Pradesh is also our aim, our goal. We will achieve it. Now with Google, I am very clear, they have given so much of four MOAs, four main items we came to understanding with them. One is Telugu, PON in internet. This is very, very important. Even local language is there, then utility will be very high. And also automatically even common man. Long back I used to discuss all these things with so many experts, especially Raj Reddy at that time, Carnegie Mellon University, he was professor on IT. How to take IT for the common man. That is our challenge at that time. If you can go through history, before 94, 93, very low penetration of IT. Nobody used to have IT also at that time. Even I was witness in 85. I wanted to computerize all my party accounts at that time. By keeping 60 members rotation, 3 shifts a day, and then continuously we upgraded all our records, 6 lakh records at that time. And at the same time, at that time, even we don't have any AC rooms. We provided AC rooms for our computers. And then standalone systems, not network. Then around 95, 96, there is a change. When internet has come, there is a revolution. Laptop has come. That is the time next revolution has come in IT. After that, so many companies, they have changed the world totally. World has become a global village today. By sitting at home, even students, they are doing extremely well. One example, if you see here, our Sanjay Vijay Kumar, he is from Kerala. Second year engineering. You don't want to continue his education, you want to do something. That was his urge. Then he went to incubation center. There he got some encouragement. Ultimately Gopal Krishnan and others supported him. Then immediately he had a breakthrough. Now his company turnover is 100 crores. He is not satisfied with that. Then he wanted to promote more and more startup companies. Then he went to schools, colleges, he started organization. Now Gopal Krishnan is supporting. They are able to create nearly 800 startup companies in Cochin today. You know, Kerala, the psychological situation, how they are working. Generally, Keralites are working all over the world extremely well, but not in Kerala because of trade union problem. They are a very intelligent people, highly educated, very enterprising, but nothing has been done in the recent past except tourism. But he has changed the atmosphere. Now Kerala, these entrepreneurs and also startup companies have come. Incubation center has taken up in a big way. When I came to know, immediately I asked my advisor, Satyanarayana, and also Mr. Jaju, Sanjay Jaju, to go and visit and then come back. I am very happy. He is so patriotic. Immediately he came to me. I request only one thing. What you have done in Kerala, you have to replicate in Andhra Pradesh. Are you agreeable? Immediately he said, yes, we will do it. I am very happy. That is how we started incubation center in Visakhapatnam. We are having one advantage in Visakhapatnam and also in Andhra Pradesh. Our people are very, very enterprising. I am confident, same incubation center, we are going to produce so many billionaires in the near future. That day is not far away. It is going to happen in Visakhapatnam. And at the same time, I am appealing all youngsters from 8th class onwards. They have to think differently. Not only classroom education, they have to think differently. If you see, Gopal Krishnan is here, how they started their company. 7 members, $200, 10,000 rupees. Then they started. Today, their net worth is 35 billion US dollars. They are having employees, nearly 1,60,000 employees. This is the turnover is 8.5 billion US dollars. Can you believe this? It has happened. How many years? 25 years or 30 years? 30 years time. Even our Google company, all youngsters at the age of 20, 25 years, they started this company. Even Mohan Reddy, just now, he went away. This BV Mohan Reddy signed techno company. When I called him, he said at the time he was very small. Then I requested him to start all these things. With my inspiration, he started. Now he is having 30,000 employees. Anybody in information technology, for that matter, any entrepreneur, if you take into consideration, they are only small people only. With the dedication, with the vision, with hard work, they have achieved all these things. Now I am confident, by seeing even this hotel I am seeing, our Prabhu Kishore, he has built very good hotel now in Visakhapatnam. By seeing from outside, it is facing almost all, it is locating in the sea itself. That is the beautiful view this hotel is having. It is a very big area. From here to Bhimunipatnam, if you lay the one of the excellent road, and also if you can use this area for tourism, information technology, and also other businesses, it will be one of the best place. That's why Silicon Valley is in America. We wanted to make this area Silicon Corridor. We want to replicate Silicon Valley, but we wanted to use it as a Silicon Corridor, and also we wanted to make Andhra Pradesh, it is a sunrise state, it will happen in the near future. Google has taken up one more program. I'm very much impressed. They wanted to network all our Dhaka women groups. As on today, 70 lakh women groups. It is a very, very robust organization, very poor women. But at the same time, they are using cell phone, smartphone for updating all their accounts. Now they are going to create internet for them. They are also, so many people are in small scale industry, cottage industry. If they network together and create economic activity, there will be so much of economy, and also they can generate financial resource also, and also poverty eradication will take place. Even recent past, for every member I want to give 10,000 rupees or 1 lakh for Dhaka women. They are going to have nearly 7 to 8,000 crores corpus with them. Even they can avail 10,000 crores, 20,000 crores as loan also. With this internet support by Google, their lives totally will be changed. I don't have any doubt. That is the biggest program. Even small scale industries, that is another area they are working with us. If they network, automatically 40 to 50 times their income, their networking, everything will change. Even I am having some challenges with them. Google speed is very good. Creativity is very high. We wanted to compete with you. Within 3 years' time, 4 years' time, we wanted to produce one computer literate in each family, one entrepreneur from each family. That is our aim, that is our slogan. Now to create this, you have to play a very vital role. I am confident it will happen. And at the same time, now so many companies today, they have signed with us, even Wipro for 7,000 people, Tech Mahindra, around 3 to 4,000 people, they are going to create employment, and also Samir, another company, and so many other companies, they came forward for signing, and also they are going to start so many companies here. So with all these things, we are very clear. This is a new state. We are in crisis. At the same time, whenever there is a crisis, there is an opportunity. I remember olden days. 95, when I took over as CM, there is no money to pay salaries. 3 months I deferred payment of salaries. I told my people. I publicized series of white papers. Then finally, I took people into confidence. I started economic activity and also overall performance, streamlining the administration. Then I visualized which area I have to concentrate. Then I got an idea. IT also is one area, apart from infrastructure and also traditional industry. Then I started NEM engineering colleges within 9 years' time. I started nearly 300 to 400 engineering colleges. Not only creating engineering colleges, how to create employment. First employment at that time, I had a series of brainstorming sessions. Finally, we created iTech City. With that iTech City, we create symbol for IT. Today here, I have seen one of the most important place here. That is Maduravada. Signature Tower at Maduravada. It will be a symbol for information technology better than iTech City in Hyderabad. That is what I want to create now. Beautiful view. One side sea, one side hill. Nowhere in the world this type of a scenic place. We want to create a monument. IT means they have to print only Maduravada. Name we will keep it Signature Tower. It will be the unique in the world we want to create. That work will start immediately after calling tenders. So after that I created Cyberabad City. You are all aware. Even Bill Gates I met only to get Microsoft to Hyderabad. Today Hyderabad able to do extremely well, around 65,000 crores business now turnover. Our Andhra Pradesh, new Andhra Pradesh only 1,600. Now from scratch I have to start again. Today by seeing the response, I don't have any doubt. Hyderabad took 9 years. New Andhra Pradesh will take 3-4 years. We will put it in right track. We will attract investments all over the world. It is not a big issue because we will give good governance and also honest administration and also will take a speedy decisions. We are having a clarity. Andhra Pradesh is having all resources. Visakhapatnam we are saying. As Haribabu has rightly mentioned, this will be financial capital for Andhra Pradesh, not only for Andhra Pradesh. Future, in the near future, it will be one of the most dynamic city. On East Coast, as on today, this is the third largest city after Chennai and Calcutta. And also, after Bombay, it is having so many advantages to make financial capital for India itself. Not in Andhra Pradesh, I am viewing it must be a financial capital for India. For that, we are having so many public sector companies are there. One is IT, another is tourism, another area is even hardware, education.